What exactly are the policies that Kamala Harris are going to, what is her administration going to push? Well, we now know. Apparently, Semaphore is reporting that she has endorsed the tax policies that were put forward in the last budget proposal by Joe Biden. What are those tax policies? Those tax policies include a 28% corporate tax. Understand that's insane. Every tax on a corporation ends up being passed down to its employees. If you tax the corporation, the Daily Wire, at 28%, that means our profit margin largely disappears. That means we have to fire people or we have to pay people less. It's that simple. Or we have to increase our prices in order to make up for the amount of tax that we are now paying to the federal government. Corporate taxes are double taxation because you are taxing income, you are taxing wages, you are taxing pretty much everything, and then you're taxing the corporation at the top level as well. So 28% corporate tax. They also want a 44.6% capital gains tax, which is psychotic. That is, you sell a stock and half the money immediately goes to the federal government. Now, here's the most psychotic thing that they want, according to, again, the budget proposal put forward by Joe Biden and now endorsed by Kamala Harris. A 25% tax on unrealized capital gains. That's insane. Let me explain what that means. An unrealized gains corporate tax or capital gains tax. What that means is that if you have a house and your house has accrued in value since the time that you bought it, let's say you bought it last year, it was 500 grand. Now it is 600 grand. The federal government wishes to tax you $25,000 for the increase in the value of your property, even though you haven't sold it. That's what it means.